It's 2 a.m. in Dallas. The wind is howling at 80 miles per hour and suddenly a crash that shakes your entire foundation. You walk out at sunrise to find a 50-foot oak tree has crushed your roof or flattened your commercial warehouse. You think, it's okay, I have insurance. But while you're worrying about structural integrity, your insurance company is already looking for a way out. They'll call it an act of God when they want to avoid liability, but they'll call it owner negligence when they want to deny your claim. This is StormLex Law Group, and we don't let insurance companies play word games with your recovery. Because in Texas, you paid for coverage, not excuses. After a catastrophe, the clock is ticking. Let's answer 3 questions our attorneys, Manny Pelaez Prada, Jake Rogiers, and Marco Flores get asked every single day. My neighbor's tree fell on my property. Who pays? In Texas, the rule is generally where it lands. If your neighbor's healthy tree falls on your building during a windstorm, you typically file through your insurance. However, if that tree was dead or diseased and your neighbor ignored it, that's negligence. That is then considered a civil dispute. Will insurance cover the cost of removing the tree? Most Texas policies have a debris removal cap, often as low as $500 or $1,000. For a commercial property or a massive fallen limb, that won't even cover the crane rental. If the tree hit a covered structure like your home or office, the path to full recovery is different than if it just landed in your yard. Don't let them lowball the estimate. The insurance company said the damage was pre-existing. What now? This is a classic delay, deny, or undervalue tactic. They'll claim your roof was already failing or the tree was already rotting. In Texas, the Texas Department of Insurance has strict guidelines, and we use independent arborists and engineers to prove the storm was the proximate cause of damage. Whether you're in San Antonio, Austin, or Dallas, you face unique challenges. We've seen Texas windstorm requirements and cosmetic exclusions used as weapons against policyholders. If there's one thing you take away from this video, know this. Legally, your insurer has 15 days to acknowledge your claim and 60 days to make a final decision. If they're dragging their feet or ignoring your calls, they aren't just being busy. They might be acting in bad faith. Here is the truth. Insurance companies are in the business of keeping their money, not providing you yours. They hope you'll take the first $5,000 check they cut just to get the tree off your roof. Don't sign it until you've talked to us. At StormLex Law Group, we specialize in aggressive litigation. We know the experts to call, the deadlines to hit, and the pressure points to make insurers pay what they actually owe. If your claim has been denied, delayed, or drastically undervalued, call us today or visit stormlex.com. We serve all of Texas and Oklahoma. We're ready to fight because you paid for coverage, not excuses.